In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn focus mode on or off in gameplay settings. If you want fewer distractions while you play, or you prefer the standard notifications and overlays, this quick walkthrough will show you exactly where to switch the Always Use Focus Mode option. We'll move carefully, keep things simple, and you'll be done in under a minute. First, open the Settings menu. To get there, click your profile picture, usually found in the upper right corner of the app or launcher, and choose Settings from the dropdown. If you don't immediately see Settings, the menu may expand after a small carry or gear icon. Either way, select Settings to open the main preferences window. Next, go to the Gameplay section. Along the left side or across the top, you should see a row of categories. Click the tab labeled Gameplay. Some interfaces style it as Gameplay or Gameplay with a capital P, but it's the same place where game behavior options live. Now find the toggle labeled Always Use Focus Mode. This control determines whether the app automatically enters a distraction-reduced state whenever you play. Turning it on emphasizes the game by minimizing pop-ups, banners, and other non-essential elements. Turning it off returns control to your usual setup, so alerts, overlays, or messaging features behave normally. Click the switch to set it to the position you want. If it's a checkbox rather than a slider, a checked state means on and an unchecked state means off. After you've made your choice, save your changes. Some versions will prompt you with a save or apply button. Click it to confirm. If no button appears, the setting likely autosaves, and you're all set. A brief confirmation message may appear to let you know the update was applied. That's all there is to it. By navigating to Settings, opening Gameplay, toggling Always Use Focus Mode, and saving if prompted, you can tailor your play experience in a way that suits your focus and notification preferences. If the layout looks a bit different on your device, look for similarly named tabs and the same Focus Mode label within gameplay-related options. Remember, you won't need to enter any personal details to make this change, and you can revisit this setting anytime to switch it back. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your next session with the level of focus that works best for you.